Hi, are you a beginner who is new to buying your Erhu online? Or have you received a shipment of Erhu recently? Today I'm going to show you what to do after you have received your shipment and how you can prepare your Erhu to play. So normally, your Erhu will be in a cardboard box for shipping. After you open up the box, you should see your Erhu in a case and it should be almost fully assembled. Like this. If your string somehow loosened when it arrived or the bridge and damper have fallen off, I will show you how to attach them back in the later part of the video. So now, assuming you received your Erhu intact, you should see the Pirastro Tonica Rosin and the Whitner fine tuners, and this is a Li Huaigang Erhu bowl. So the ones that we have here happen to be the professional grade ones that you have to top up for. If not, it usually comes with a more basic set. So now I'm going to show you how to attach the fine tuners first. So now you have to loosen the string a little bit. Try not to loosen too much in case the entire string comes off. And loosen the fine tuner as well. Try to hook it in. Yes. Tighten the string. And now you tighten your fine tuner a little bit. Now let's move on to the other string and do the same thing for this string. So now we are done with attaching the fine tuners. Now we shall attach the bow. Sometimes the bow can come attached with your Erhu. In this case, it's not. So you have to take the bow out and then you have to loosen it by turning the screw here. And then this is a detachable bow, so you can just like unhook it like this. If it's not a detachable bow, you have to unscrew this all the way. Now, you have to put the handle into the middle of these two strings. Try to open it up like this. And then hook it up. Yes, try not to let the handle turn and twist while you are hooking the bow. And now you shall tighten the bow. And there you go. You have successfully attached the bow. So now the bow has been attached to the Erhu. I'm going to show you how to rosin your bow. Sometimes the bow can come to you pre-rosin. However, you will have to rosin your bow eventually. So now take out the rosin. And then now try to push the bow inwards like this and then bring it up and turn it like this. Then open up with your fingers. Take the rosin, face up like this, and then start to rosin. Okay, an important point to note, try to rosin the ends of the bow here. Now, as you rosin the bow, try to rotate the rosin as you do it. Okay, now let me rosin the other side of the bow. Okay. So, another way that you can rosin your bow is by putting the Erhu on the lap. And try to open up your legs a little bit so that the Erhu doesn't shake. And then bring your bow up. And take the rosin. And then remember to rosin both sides of the bow. And now we shall tune the Erhu with a tuner. So there are two strings and you will have to tune each string individually. The one that is closest towards you is the thicker one, that is the D string, and the outside one is the thinner one, which is the A string. So the A string is tuned to A and the D string is tuned to D. And we are done with tuning the Erhu. I'll be posting a full tutorial on how to tune your Erhu in our channel, so do remember to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications for it. Now I will show you how to tighten your strings when it gets loosened when it's shipped to you. I'll show you what happens if the strings got loosened like this, and how will you attach the string back to the tuning pack. So now there's this pointy end here. I just stick it into the holes on the tuning pack and then pull out the string like this, and then try to turn your tuning pack. Try to loop the string onto each other. Just one of them will do, and then continue to turn like this. Yeah, just loop once will do. And then try to tighten it a bit. Okay, try to make sure that the string is attached to the bottom of the Erhu like this. And if it keeps coming off, then you have to use both your legs to hold the strings in place like this while you tighten your string here. Next, what happens if your bridge comes off when it arrives at your place? Bridge and damper. So now I'm gonna take this out and show you. Now for the damper, you have to push it in like this. And try to hold the strings up and then push the damper in like that. And then next you have the bridge here. Try to push it in the same way and try to make sure that the strings rest on the grooves. Yeah, there will be 2 grooves for each of your string. And then, yep, we are done. So we are done with the video. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye bye.